Wix Blank Template tutorial, how to create a template using Wix. Hello everyone and welcome back. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get started with creating your own website and your own template using Wix. Wix is an amazing platform when it comes to creating your own website, and their pre-made templates are amazing. But right now you can even improve your own templates. You can build your own template from scratch using Wix AI. So let's get started. To get started, we're going to sign up for Wix. So simply click on Get Started over here and you can sign up using your email address. You don't need any credit card information. This is completely free. So click on Continue with Google or Facebook, or just enter your email and details over here. I'm going to do a very quick sign up using Google for Wix because I just think it's very quick. So I'm just going to proceed with that. This is totally down to your personal preference on how you want to get started. So I'm just going to proceed on with Google, and then a new tab is going to open up, which is going to prompt you to sign up with Google. So I'm just going to wait, and I'm going to wait for my sign up to be completed. I am actually going to refresh this, sign in with Google. And if you already have a Wix account, you can just log on because Wix has no limit on the number of websites you can create. So even if you have an account where you've already created, some past websites, you can still easily use that to create your new website on Wix. And you can even click on login if you already have an account, and then just click on continue with Google, Apple, or whatever platform that you are using. I'm actually gonna go on ahead, click on continue, and we're going to be using our email instead because I want to go with the step-by-step. So we're just going to enter that over here, confirm our email like so. lilyguidesyou@gmail.com. We're going to be using a suitable password. It does suggest to have a longer password, and then click on sign up. And now I'm just going to click on sign up over here. Once we do that, we're going to verify that we are not robots. And once we've done that, we can move on into our next step within Wix. So we're going to click on sign up like so to proceed with our account creation. And now from here, we're going to go on ahead and I'm just going to go into my mailbox and then confirm the verification code that is sent. So I'm just going to go into my device, my email, and then confirm my device with our verification code. So we're just going to go into Wix, and then we're going to copy this. Once we copy, we're going to paste it in and then click on verify. Once we click on verify over here, we can move into our next step. And now that we have verified this, we're going to click on create new site. Once you click on create new site, you're going to proceed with one option. You can set this up without chat or start a chat, and we're going to get started with our chat. So starting off, what is your website all about? So a portfolio website for Lily Davis, makeup artist, specializing in wedding makeup and hairstyles. And now once I have provided a general description, it's going to ask me the next follow-up question. It is going to ask you several questions because it needs to understand what type of website it should be building. So help me answer. So what features do I want to showcase in my portfolio? A gallery, client testimonials, booking, a blog to share, makeup tips, social media links. So I want to go with the first 4 of these, and then I'm just going to paste that in. A gallery, client testimonials, booking, or a contact form, and I don't even want a blog. I want this to be a very basic website, so I'm just going to keep it at booking, clients, and then a gallery. After that, the target audience is females 20 to 40 getting married. And then once I do that, you guys can see on the right, it has built my site portfolio, and it has shown me the site applications that it would suggest that I'm using. I am looking to increase bookings. That's my primary goal. And you guys can see the site type, site apps, and then goals. What sets your makeup services apart from others? I specialize in bridal makeup that is natural and lasts all day, using premium makeup products. And then once we've done that, we can see that it is now building and building. Now this is really important to get a really nice template, to build a really nice template using AI, that you're providing it with the information that it needs. A lot of people think, hey, you know, whatever, I don't want to answer all of these questions, but these questions truly do play an integral part when it comes to site building and building a really beautiful template for your website. So it is important to answer these, and then you can click on Go to Dashboard and you will find your tailor-made setups, and everything is created for you. So you can truly have a very customized experience with Wix, and you're able to build a very unique template with Wix as well. So once done, you can proceed with adding some of your basics. Now, I don't like to add my domain because that is a premium feature. I just like to add services first. So if you go into your booking services, it adds some basic services, and you can customize this. You can do all of this later on. We are focusing today on website building, so I'm gonna go directly into web building rather than just using this to build my back end. So we're gonna go into site and mobile app, and you're gonna head on over into your Wix dashboard and then proceed into your website. So you can go into website and you can see start designing from a template or generate a site design. Click on get started. Once you click on get started, you have the ability to create and edit your template using their AI. So on the left, it has all the basic information that it needs. And this is what I love about using Wix, is that it is intuitively able to create your website with the information that you provide. And right now it is using all of the basic information that we've already provided, because we already had this conversation about what apps we want to use, what features, what is the goal of our website and the target audience. It is now able to build our template accordingly. So I'm just going to wait until my template is built, and you can obviously customize this. You guys can see it is now writing my site theme and site brief, so I can change this as I want, but I'm going to let it first create the first draft and then customize accordingly. So you guys can see this is the general site design that has been created, and it's actually wonderful. I truly love this. I might want to customize this a little because I want to include a bit more of a pastel theme. So I can click on tweak design and I can tweak the design. I can ask it to generate the entire thing again, and shades of blush and dusky pink. And this is, the type of design that I would opt for. I want some more pastel elements. So I'm going to wait for it to recreate the design and see some of the alterations. And then after that, I'm actually going to directly go into the Wix website editor and then proceed with creating the rest of my site. And you can see you always have version 1 that you can go back to, and you can view at least 5 versions of this site at once. So once you're satisfied with the type of design it has created, then you can proceed. And right now, this is what the site theme is. And we can even click on any of the layouts, any of the themes, any of the colors to change them directly within the site brief. And right now, I think it has almost completed creating our general site brief. So I want to proceed with the second version of my website. So I'm just going to proceed on over here and then click on continue with design. Then I'm going to click on continue to editor so that I can proceed with the Wix website editor. And once we are in the Wix website editor, then I can just go on ahead and edit the template accordingly. So you guys can see it has all of the basic Wix apps that I would need, and then I can just use the one that, use some of the edits that I want, any personal tweaks, and just like so, your brand new template is created, which is so amazing because in the past, templates used to be pretty redundant. It used to feel like, hey, all the templates look the same. So now you have the ability to fully create something that is your own and customize something that is your own as well. So I'm going to wait for this to be loaded up, and this looks really nice. Now I can proceed. So the first thing I might want to do is just to change some of the images and some of the elements, and I can just scroll. I can select the element that I want to change. Once I do, I can click on over here, and this is a collection display. So I can click on manage project and I can choose to add the ones that I want. And once completed, I can click on publish to publish my website. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.